Welcome to another video from First Serve UK. Qualified engineers available 7 days a week. Today we're going to talk about some of the reasons why your washing machine will switch on but just won't fill with water. It could be that the taps are jammed underneath the sink. Sometimes those self-cutting DIY taps can also get jammed or blocked. The machine door sometimes not closed properly, or the hose pipes may be blocked or kinked. Perhaps the pressure system might be faulty, or even the water valves for the actual machine are also jammed. Visit our website firstserveuk.co.uk or call us directly 07984 670 782.